Hey guys, so I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Stylus by Griffin. So let's just go ahead and unbox it. I actually bought this myself. It cost me, I believe, $20. I had been looking for a stylus for my iPad, because I don't really like the whole fingerprint thing. Right off the bat, it's very kind of like holding a pen. The tip is very soft, and it doesn't seem like it's going to scratch your iPad or your smartphone. It's for smartphones or tablets. The tip of it seems kind of like it has like some sort of ball on it or something. That's what the tip looks like, and this is what the actual thing is. See, it's right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry about that. By Griffin. And it even has this metal clip. I used to own one. I'm not sure from who it was by, but the clip, it broke. It was plastic. This one seems like it wouldn't break easily. But let's go ahead and try it. Let's try it out. Right off the bat, it seems pretty responsive. Let's see what happens when I type. Okay. It seems to be very responsive. So far not having a problem with it. Let me try playing a game. There we go. So far it's pretty good. So far the response to it, pretty good. Don't seem to be having a problem with it. So this is my unboxing for the Griffin Stylus. I got mine at the Verizon store actually for $20, and yeah.